Hello. Today I'm gonna be backtesting that like last week of January that leads into the first week of February. So let's get straight into it. All right. Starting at wait, we are Monday, right? Yeah. Okay, starting out on the high time frame, we've kind of went down a bit from all-time highs. Looks like we had like a SMT. Kind of just mark out kind of like key levels and whatnot. Let's actually look at weekly. We have a weekly gap here. That's quite far down. Devil's Mark, which is kind of like, I guess, a good draw. I haven't really tested with it though, so. Um, it seemed like we've been kind of like on a bearish trend, disrespecting bullish, respecting bearish, disrespecting or respecting bearish, disrespecting bullish, right? Um, honestly, I'm just gonna kind of play it through price, see what price wants to do. It's a little bit lower. I wonder if we have like anything. Okay, so it seems like we got a resweep on this gap in a 30-minute. It's like a better draw. It's a 1 hour. Or technically, I guess we got a resweep here, perhaps. Not really. This is kind of our resweep we just made, right? Yeah. ES, did ES tap into anything? Not really. So no true manipulation. 15 minutes? No. Okay, well, we have two kind of like, we have this external draw right here, London highs we can target. ES seems to have already taken that out though, so honestly I kind of want to wait for ES to kind of get into like a better area. But let's see, did we even get an inversion off of this? Maybe not. You got a 15-second. I don't think I mean, we could see it play out a little bit higher, but I don't think. Oh wow. Let me just go to the 1 minute. Seems like we kind of, yeah, I mean, I guess it plays out. All right. Yeah. ES, they're not in a spot of distribution, so it's not really my model. No, honestly, I don't really see much we can do. We took this out. Perhaps we can aim for London highs, maybe continuation higher, or we just take that as our external draw and get like a mech model shorter. ES is kind of displacing quite far down though. I'm not entirely sure about this though. So, and then we have an inverse the 15-second. Let's see what it does though. No, it doesn't seem like it's gonna. Pretty bad price action, it seems. You get a 15-second inversion, but targeting. No, I mean, you didn't really kind of edge to London highs. And so ES really didn't tap into anything. Like, I guess not. Didn't even get like a resweep or anything. Wow. Um, Honestly, I don't even think today's gonna do too much. 10 a.m. open, manipulated lower. Do we make? I don't think we made anything on ES, no 1 hour or anything. Perhaps if we take out this, 9:30 wick. 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute inversion, but and you have LR builds up. ES, not really. We kind of just have slight manipulation. 10 a.m. kind of just we ended up opening a little bit lower. ES also inversed. I like the structure here on NQ, and also we kind of make that low pretty high resistant because we got a resweep in a key level. Let's see our kind of we are in premium, so longs are kind of like eh. I mean, if we look at like I don't know daily kind of like, then we could say we are kind of like in this kind of like this range. I think I'm gonna take this. This looks pretty promising with all the LR too. It looks nice. Go stop at like it's like 1 point more, yeah. We'll go for 1-to-1. Little base hit. I love taking base hits. It's just so like so good for like win rate. But obviously it depends. Like I would target this. If I was super convicted, we would like go higher. There's like a super good DOL. Obviously, there's not much. I mean, you have an external. I mean, when we SMT'd at that as well. So it's. I mean, unless ES has like better targets, I guess you can go for this like internal high. Let's see how this goes. Or this is immediately gonna run to stop. Oh my god, don't edge me. Okay, nice. 1-to-1. I really like here we have that built up LR. Here I can kind of play it out here. 9:30 open. What do? We manipulate into, that 1 hour gap. Pretty much instantly distribute higher from there, and then from there start just chopping, making distribution at 9:45. We we open and we open and we kind of just add to the LR. Eventually 10 a.m. opens and we get a remanipulation, and then like that instant remanipulation. In here we have London highs as like our DOL. ES has like a higher area, and we actually did hit it. I didn't even see that. Oh, so quite before. Did we have like a even higher draw off that? No. That was probably a good break even point. I probably should have gone break even there. I marked it out kind of for like a break even. But yeah, you have that LR, you have DOL intact on NQ. ES, you have a higher DOL. You could technically target. Pretty good trade. Pretty good trade. Starting off strong, on a Monday. Probably no news Monday. We didn't have like such crazy, like only 57 points. Price action. Okay. I'm actually kind of curious. What do we do for the rest of the day? From there, we kind of just, it's kind of chop around, I guess. All right. ES seem to have gone higher. Seem to have gone higher. All right, next day, Tuesday. Okay, looks like, yeah, we did kind of end up going higher. Wow. Wow. ES is back up to all-time highs. NQ is not. NQ is not. So we have that, SMT, whatever. all-time highs, obviously, I'd see a retracement. We have this 4 hour gap here. We already tapped CE, so we might just like get a resweep off 930 and just go higher. Um, we did see NQ fail to take out all-time highs, so there's also that factor. Just like I see all this, well, I guess it's not like NQ like failed. I guess it just, with the correlation and whatnot, it's not always correlating. I don't really know how to explain it. Okay, ideally we'd see ES tap CE before going up higher. NQ, I wonder if we have anything like of significance here. There's like a 15-minute. All right, let's see though. We do kind of have like slanted highs on the high time frame. Same for ES. Honestly, looking really good for longs today. I hope we don't just like rip up. Oh man. Okay, 10 a.m. Oh my God. This is going to be beautiful. This is going to be beautiful. Oh wait, okay. I love how NQ generated the LR, but ES did it in the opposite way. I guess that kind of gives ES less of a reason once it manipulates to go further down. Oh, there is a 15-minute gap. Oh man, that is some big manipulation. Really good displacement here, and ES tapped that 15-minute gap. This is a super good long. I am super highly convicted in this. Like, I'm very confident this will just play. Oh, we are on the 15 seconds, so it is kind of. Oh no. Oh no. Well, I guess we did enter that 1 minute, huh? Should we have waited for that 1 minute? Mm. Mm. Oh wait, we have a 5 minute here. I didn't realize. That's actually really bad. But then again, it's like all-time highs. Do we have anything lower that's like we tapped into this lower 1 hour on NQ, which is where our stop is. I'm still really convicted that this will end up hitting. Dang, bro. Dang, bro, we're just straight chopping. Oh my God, there's no way we lose now, right? That's so unfortunate. Oh, do I go break even? I think I go break even. Honestly, I'd rather go break even than sit through chop and then like let's go one more candle. I should have gone break even. Okay, we'll just and then like, if you close out there, it's like we'll just go break even. Yeah. And at 11, or I should have probably taken profit at like 11. Wow, that's such, man. And then we go lower on the day. Yeah, wow. That's unfortunate. Oh, break even trade. What can you do? It looks good until, price just doesn't want to do that. Price just doesn't want to do that. And you kind of just gotta take it, it's out of your control. Shouldn't have hard feelings if you get like if you lose on a trade like that. Super choppy. Better to go break even than like have a take a loss that's like avoidable. Okay, so we have these two like daily gaps. ES does not have those. What do we have here? Oh wow, that's that one. Yeah, because right, ES was like a lot higher up than NQ. We still have not taken all-time highs. And then it looks like we're just retracing. And do we have like a gap, new day opening gap? We do. Oh, did we take it? Oh, we did. I guess we took the wick, but I think it counts as the body. Oh, we inverse the 4 hour on ES. Oh, on NQ as well. I was thinking like, yeah, I mean, we could go up there and take that and then go lower. What is this? Was this at, yeah, we know we're trading a daily gap. I don't know, we look pretty bearish. What's our news? This looks like news. 8:30. Which kind of makes me want to go, for that. For the long here, but 1 minute we're just chopping around. Hmm. Wait, do we tap into something? Oh my god. I missed the short. 30-minute on both pairs, true manipulation. Oh my god, how did I miss that? Oh, where was the entry? Oh, the entry was literally right here. Bruh. That immediately plays out. That's so unfortunate. We can't really do anything off of that. I'll end this. We can take like a con. Or like immediately in the 1 minute gap from there. Dang, we missed a short. How do we even do that? That's unfortunate. Oh, and then I guess you technically have this 3 minute, huh? Wow. Crazy short we missed today. Man, I'm so mad we missed that. So mad I missed that, bro. That's so perfect too. I mean, you technically leave these, draws and whatnot, but 30-minute rejection off of that. And if you wanted to wait for this or even like CISD, bang. So, because even if you enter there and target like this or whatever, you get that and you wouldn't even have gone break even if you went here. Wow, that's unfortunate. Well, what can you do? Man, Such a good trade. It's Thursday now. Mm, you get this. I mean, kind of like a resweep on a gap. Does that fit the higher time frame narrative though? We kind of dumped down into that daily and we kind of seemed like we were respecting it. Kind of, because you see, you got this, you got this. You know, it looks like a pretty good trade. Yeah, pretty good long. Perhaps, or we take a loss after a day we could have won. And we see here nice like slanted highs as well. Let's just go ahead and rip it. I mean, ES. I mean, do we have a 5 minute or anything? That's not really a concern. No. ES. ES is pretty displacing. Come on, give me a win here. No. No. Oh. Oh. Beautiful. Beautiful. You know, I needed that after missing a trade like that on the what was it, Wednesday. Man, I can't believe we faded out on Wednesday, but nice. We get a little little redemption, I guess you could say. I like that trade though, because you know, obviously we have that true manipulation, right? This was a 30 minute. Oh yeah, we did tap that. When did we tap that? Oh, we just now that we edged it, market open, which is kind of crazy, honestly. But and then we have that. What was it, daily below? Yeah, but then we also we did react off that, so I kind of like how we did that. And now we hit that 10 a.m. I low-key missed an entry again because this definitely plays out to the highs. Yeah, 1000%. I mean, do you even have an entry there? I don't think so. Perhaps was it a 3 minute? No, 4 minute? No, 1 minute. You get a 1 minute. You get a 1 minute right here. Oh no, but you don't manipulate that yet. You remanipulate and then you don't get that 1 minute close until again right here. So you could have taken that, or if there's maybe like a 30 second or something. You get this 30 second inversion right here. Man, oh man, we should have took that. Man, I clicked super fast and you have the stack PL3. ES gets that actual true manipulation, you know, stop hunt. Actually turtle soup. That's so beautiful. I should have taken that long too. Okay. Man, now I know like I can't be clicking price through fast. Too fast. Clicking through price too fast. Okay. Unfortunate, man. We just wow, that's like two faded setups. Or just kind of not faded, but I just clicked through too fast through price action to see. Whatever. So we went up from that as expected, you know, daily bias correct. As always. Nice distribution. I mean, I'd like to see a continuation higher, you know, just trade with the trend and like it's hard to go wrong, you know. Good for win rate. Lower 4 hour on ES. I like to see taken. We wicked CE on both pairs, it seems, of this 4 hours. So let's go. Dun, 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 Yes, didn't do anything really special. Did we tap that? Or did we leave equal lows? Maybe we left equal lows. I don't think I'm gonna take this 1 minute. I mean, it looks nice, but I don't think it's super high probability. Like ES left equal lows at that draw. Come on, come on, come on. On this like daily range here, we can see not even at equilibrium on either pair. Nah, I think we might, get like a nice little, stop hunt back into here. Oh, well, it plays out, yeah. Oh, wow. Dang. Perhaps a 5 minute continuation. I mean, what do we got here? I mean, really, you have a 2 minute. Ooh, wow. Wow, that doesn't even close. That's 1 minute into it. Okay. I think we take this long. Just a continuation, if price really wants to be bullish, then hey, price wants to be bullish, ES, hold on, let me look at ES. Before I executed, I should have looked at ES. Yeah, I mean, ES looks pretty good. It's not necessarily we're displacing off anything though. It's kind of unfortunate. Yeah, we kind of just, generated LR to the sell side. And he looks really good for long, so yeah, this is not going to play out. No. Do I just close the trade here? Lack of delivery. When was 10 a.m.? Oh my god, I got into the trade like at 10 a.m. That was not smart. We'll just, I mean, this is definitely going break even. Close, yeah, just close everything. Watch it break even immediately. Yep. Lack of delivery. Unfortunately, we kind of missed the opening long, but it just didn't look too good in my opinion. And the odds that would have just not played out, and ES wanted to go lower, actually manipulate into something, especially since we left equal lows with a high time frame draw being that, what was it, a 1 hour, maybe even a 4 hour. Well, I guess, yeah, we're technically in the 4 hour though, so to what extent that it matters, that's something I gotta kind of keep in mind. If we're in like we're in this, high time frame PDA, this 1 hour is pretty much inside of that PDA. So it's more discounted area of the PDA, but still, again, you can also make the argument that ES was like, didn't seem to want to even go lower at market open. But I mean, generated sell side though, so that's kind of the problem. Well, that is Friday. How long have we been running? Yeah. Good session. I guess let's check analytics. 63%. We are recovering our win rate because like the first 2 weeks of January, I was just messing around. Promise, I was messing around. Man, Wednesday we faded it so badly, and then Thursday we could have taken a second good trade. Yeah, here like one trade, here this trade, one loss, one like break even, or one win up to like break even value. 2 losses here, I'm pretty sure. So it's like, we're salvaging that back up though. I'm glad. I think I'm gonna do another session today since I skipped yesterday backtesting. Nice.